Forget every trading strategy you've ever heard. MACD, RSI, trend lines, Fibonacci, just put all of it aside for a moment. Because today we're talking about something far more powerful. Something every winning trader has, but almost nobody admits. The psychology behind their charts. Why do some traders win consistently while others blow up doing the exact same things? Is it luck? No. No. Is it a secret strategy? Not even close. It's their mind, their decision-making system, their emotional discipline. And once you understand this, your charts will never look the same again. Here's the truth. Trading is not a battle between you and the market. It's a battle between you and yourself. Most traders don't lose because of bad entries. They lose because of impulse. Fear, revenge trading, greed, the need to be right. Winning traders, they turn those emotions into information instead of reacting to them. The market is just a mirror, and most people panic when they see their own reflection. Winning traders think in probabilities. They don't care about being right, they care about being profitable. Every trade is just a probability. Nothing more, nothing less. That's why they can lose 6 trades in a row and still sleep like a baby. They also detach their identity from their trades. Most people feel like a failure when they take a loss. Winning traders take a loss and think, good, the system protected me. Their ego never touches the chart. They know their psychological triggers. Maybe your trigger is missing an entry or watching price move without you or closing winners too early. Winning traders study their triggers so they can shut down emotional decisions before they happen. Winning traders wait like hunters. They don't chase, they stalk, they wait for confirmation like a sniper waiting for the perfect shot. There is no FOMO in their world, only opportunity. And here's something people never talk about. Winning traders forgive themselves quickly. You will make mistakes, but losing traders punish themselves for days. Winning traders extract the lesson and move on. No guilt, no shame, just growth. Charts don't show the future. Charts show human behavior. Every candle is someone's fear, someone's greed, someone's hesitation. When you see that, you stop reacting to the market and start understanding it. So here's what I want you to do this week. Don't focus on finding the perfect strategy. Focus on observing your reactions. Ask yourself, what emotion made me enter this trade? What emotion made me close it? Am I trading my system or am I trading my feelings? Do this for 5 days, and you'll start thinking like a winning trader, even before your account reflects it. If you want strategies, they're everywhere. But if you want a real edge, an edge that lasts, you study psychology. Your mind is the real indicator. Your behavior is the real system. Welcome to Psychology of Charts. This is just the beginning.